I'm ruined. Ruined, I say! My toys, my marvelous, splendid toys! They're selling worse than Brussels sprouts! No, fool! Can't you see? The spoiled brats of England must be spending their pocket money on something else, and we must eliminate that competition. Yes, there's no other choice! Professor Farsboom! Get your head out of your toy programming and answer the phone! Farsboom, my high-tech hireling, initiate Plan B. Farsboom, I'm at Big Ben and ready to deal with the mongrels. I'm going in! I can't take any more, but I'll be back. Oh, yes, I'll be back! How could those vile puppies defeat me, Cruella de Vil? Oh, I know. It must be your fault! Silence! Just go get those puppies. Now! Farsboom! Is the supergloop ready? And then the fun begins. Farsboom, I have the puppy trapped. This new vehicle of yours had better work. Oh, I hate Melon! Oh, my new dress! Oh, it's ruined! Oh, I hate that puppy! Oh, this is a disaster! I'm sopping wet with... Melon! I'm fed up with this mess and I'm getting out of here! Those cursed puppies have gone too far this time! Oh, my beautiful clothes! Ruined! Of course not. You imbecile! You incompetent goats are entirely to blame! And Lepelt, I expected so much more from you. Then why are you standing there like the village idiot? I will not tolerate any more failure. Now get out of my sight, all of you! Farsboom, my dot-com darling, do you have any good news? And then, with the pets frozen in shiny shells of superglue, we shall sell them throughout England as my new line of perfectly realistic animal toys. And I will become filthy rich! Ugh, puppies. If I never see one again, it will be too soon. Whoever it is, you'd better have good news. A present for me. Marvelous. With the parents here, those pathetic puppies are all alone out there. And little do those vile beasts know that the most dangerous part of their journey has yet to begin. I can't believe it. That foul little scrapper has made it all the way here, to the heart of my toy factory. But your canine karma has come to an end. My new superglue cannon will be your demise. Farsboom, turn on the superglue pump. What is that foul canine up to? No matter. It is about to become a plush toy. Stop that, you meddling whelp! Those computers are expensive! Uh-oh. I have a bad feeling about this. Oh, not another! Why won't that mutt hold still? No! This is impossible! Not the superglue! Help! Someone! Get me out of this gloop! You imbecile! You nincompoop! You grotesque, dangly dick! Tell me again, you moron. How long will the gloop keep us like this? No!